guys, welcome to our channel Sri Lankan Kitchen. Ayubowan. Today we'll learn how to make Pol Roti. Pol Roti is kind of a Sri Lankan roti. Pol means coconut. So ultimately Pol Roti is roti mixed with coconut. Okay, let's see what are the ingredients. Coconut and wheat flour, warm water, a little bit of coconut oil and salt. Okay, let's start making. First take your wheat flour and add the scraped coconut into it. Then you can add your warm water. You can use normal water too, but if you use warm water, the coconut will get a little cooked and it will taste better than normal water. Once you add your coconut and water, you can try to make this into a mold. I'm making this for about 2 people. So I use about half a cup of scraped coconut and about 2 or 2.5 cups of flour and 1 cup of warm water. You should add a little bit of salt too. And also you should add about 1 teaspoon of coconut oil into this, so that it won't stick into the walls of the bowl that you're using. It's done. We have the mold in here. I used coconut oil to this, but you can use butter too. Don't try to use ghee because ghee would turn the taste very different, but butter would be fine. So now, as we have a big mold, we need to make them into small pieces because we need to make a lot of rotis out of this. You can use a roller pin and a cookie cutter or something to make square, round shapes or any other shape you like. But in here, we make small balls out of this and then flatten it into a circular shape. Let's see how to do that. First of all, apply some coconut oil to a dish so that it wouldn't stuck into this. Okay, now we have applied coconut oil into this dish, and you should apply a little bit of oil in our hands too, because it would stuck into your hands otherwise. And take a small hole out of it, and using your hands make it into a rough sphere. Once you've made a sphere, you can flatten it. Use a flat spoon or a spatula to make your roti roughly straight. A little bit of oil, or even if you don't, it will be fine. Take your roti and place it in the pan. Once the downside is done, you can flip it and cook the other side. As the white color of the roti has disappeared in the other side, we can guess that the other side is cooked enough, so we can flip it. Even if it's not cooked enough, we can again flip it and keep it in the heat for some more time. Okay, now this is done, so we can set it. Let's take it out of the pan. Pol Roti is usually eaten for breakfast or for dinner. It's best served with lunameris, which we learned to make in one of our previous videos. Or else you can eat it with any kind of a spicy curry or even with jam and butter. If you like this video and want us to make more, please go and hit the like button down below. And make sure to subscribe our channel to get the latest recipes and updates. If you are a Sri Lankan, you can help us in taking Sri Lankan culinary to the world by sharing our channel with your friends. And if you're from any other country, try to make this at home and enjoy. If you have any questions regarding the recipes, please put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching us and see you in our next video. Bye bye.